Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 5 best telescope on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch title to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 5. The Celestron TravelScope 70 is a compact portable telescope perfect for beginners and travel enthusiasts. Its 70mm aperture and fully coated glass optics provide bright, clear, and sharp views of the moon, planets, and terrestrial objects. The included adjustable tripod ensures stable observation, while the lightweight design and backpack make it easy to take on outdoor adventures. Additionally, the included software helps beginners locate and identify celestial objects, enhancing the learning experience. Quick to assemble and simple to use, it's ideal for first-time astronomers. Despite its portability, the telescope delivers impressive optical performance, making stargazing enjoyable and accessible. Overall, the Celestron TravelScope 70 combines convenience, quality optics, and ease of use, making it an excellent starter telescope for travel and backyard astronomy. Number 4. This 70mm aperture 400mm AZ mount telescope is a versatile and beginner-friendly option for both kids and adults. Its 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length deliver clear, bright views of the moon, planets, and nearby celestial objects. With magnification ranging from 20x to 200x, users can enjoy detailed observation and wide-field views alike. The AZ mount allows smooth, intuitive movement, making it easy to track objects in the sky. Included accessories such as a tripod, phone adapter, and remote control enhance usability and make astrophotography simple. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for backyard stargazing, camping, or travel. Easy to assemble and operate, this telescope combines performance, convenience, and fun, providing an engaging astronomy experience for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 3. The ToyerBee 70mm aperture 300mm refractor telescope is an excellent choice for beginners and young astronomy enthusiasts. Its 70mm aperture provides bright, clear views of the moon, planets, and nearby celestial objects, while the 15x to 150x magnification range allows detailed exploration of the night sky. The portable design makes it easy to take on trips or enjoy backyard stargazing. Included accessories like a phone adapter and wireless remote enable easy astrophotography, allowing users to capture and share celestial observations. Lightweight and simple to assemble, the telescope is beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough to deliver impressive performance. Overall, the ToyerBee telescope combines portability, ease of use, and quality optics, providing an engaging and educational astronomy experience for kids and adults alike. Number 2. The Celestron TravelScope 70 is a compact and versatile telescope perfect for beginners and travel enthusiasts. Its 70mm aperture and fully coated glass optics deliver bright, clear views of the moon, planets, and terrestrial objects. The included adjustable tripod provides stable support for smooth observation, while the lightweight design and backpack make it easy to take on outdoor adventures. This telescope also comes with helpful software, allowing users to explore the night sky and identify celestial objects with ease. Simple to assemble and operate, it's ideal for those new to astronomy or anyone seeking a portable observation solution. Overall, the Celestron TravelScope 70 combines optical quality, portability, and convenience, making it a reliable, beginner-friendly telescope for travel and home use. Number 1. The UncleHu 90mm aperture 900mm refractor telescope is a high-powered, beginner-friendly telescope designed for both terrestrial and astronomical observation. Its 90mm aperture and 900mm focal length provide bright, clear, and detailed views of the moon, planets, and distant landscapes. Fully multi-coated optics enhance light transmittance, reducing glare and improving image clarity for crisp, high-contrast viewing. The telescope is easy to assemble and operate, making it perfect for beginners who want professional-level performance without a steep learning curve. Its sturdy construction ensures stability during long observation sessions, while the sleek design adds a modern touch. Overall, the UncleHu telescope delivers excellent optical quality, user-friendly operation, and versatile performance, making it a reliable choice for exploring the night sky or observing terrestrial objects.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.